What we do is we get them to come in, they have an orientation, we talk to them about what's going on, what their rights are, etc., etc. And then they come in the actual day to fill out the application. We fill it all out, and then we got someone, we work with the anthropology department at UNT, applied anthropology, and one of my friends there, she's wonderful. Actually, she just finished her MA, and she's in Peru, so now somebody else is taking over. But she gets all the country conditions. We look at the applications and where they're from, whether they're Honduras or El Salvador or Guatemala or Mexico, and then depending on what kind of case it is, whether it's domestic violence or gang related, whatever, she tries to find articles to back up the country conditions. And so we put that in also with the application, so that when the asylum seeker goes to court that first time, he takes a packet about this big, about 300-400 pages, and gives it to the judge. We've probably helped over 300 families, people. We just try to do the best we can. We try to give them all the materials. And the thing with the country packets that the anthropologists do is really good, because even though they're country conditions and they're not specific to the individual case, because they've presented this and because most judges will not look through all that stuff, they can get them back on appeal, because we tell them always appeal, no matter what. Even if they say you lose, you say I'm going to appeal, and then you start looking for a lawyer, because at that point you can look for a lawyer and maybe you've been able to save money as you go along, or somehow or other, maybe sometimes I can get you, a lawyer, like the law school the law school of A&M has an immigrant clinic, and so they help cases, and they're really good. Raices will help a lot. Different lawyers do take pro bono cases if we tell them, this is really an important case, I think you could win it, and so they take it. I'm doing, I think I'm doing about 3 cases with pro bono lawyers that I'm helping them with, and then I'm also helping at A&M. So there are different options, but there's so many people, there's so much need that there's not enough.